Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube video unavailable problem in YouTube application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in YouTube application. Go to Apps Info, click on Storage, again click on Clear Data, tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store, go to Search YouTube app, update your YouTube application, latest version. You make sure your YouTube application is up to date. Step 3. Open your phone setting, search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected or stable. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 6. Open your YouTube application. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube video unavailable problem in YouTube application. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.